I am abundant. I am open and willing to allow the divine flow of abundance into my life. I release all my beliefs surrounding money and success. I release all fear of what my financial situation looks like right now. The universe is responding to my intent, my belief, and my thoughts right now. I have more money than I know what to do with. I make money easily. I am abundant. I give generously and without fear. In giving, I receive. What I give will always come back to me doubled. I choose a prosperity mindset. I choose a gratitude mindset. I am financially thriving. I allow prosperity to flow into my life from all areas. I am grateful for all I have right now. Money comes to me easily. I am deserving of an abundant life. I enjoy financial freedom. Financial solutions are always available to me. I believe in myself, and I believe in my worth. My words and my thoughts are attracting wealth right now. I am successful. I am worthy of success and of a new beginning. I give freely because I know what I put out into this world will come back to me twofold. I open my heart and mind to prosperity. I am prosperous. I am abundant. I am a magnet for wealth. I have everything I need. I have more than enough. Money comes to me easily. I pay my bills with ease. I release all resistance to money. I release the fear of not enough. Money comes to me easily. I live in an abundant world. I am never without. I lack nothing. My life is full. Opportunities to succeed and make more money are everywhere. I am grateful for opportunities. I meet people who provide me with opportunities for success. I meet people who believe in me. I am attracting what I'm speaking, and I'm excited for my future. Opportunities to make more money are on their way to me right now. Money flows to me every day from all directions. I pay all my bills effortlessly. I am generous. I enjoy giving. There is plenty of money for everyone. I release the worry and allow the universe to meet my needs. My needs are always met. Prosperity is on its way to me now. I am ready to receive. I am wealthy. I have more money than I know what to do with. I make money easily. I believe I am capable of success. I contribute to the success of others. I give generously and without fear. In giving, I receive. What I give will always come back to me doubled. I see the possibilities in my life. I am grateful for all I have. I am grateful for all that is coming. I am grateful for all who believe in me. I am grateful for every opportunity. I am grateful for financial freedom. I am grateful for what will unfold as a result of choosing to feel the energy of abundance and a prosperity mindset. I am grateful. I am grateful.